hopefully duct week. Timmy sent his stuff get put together. Normally he gets it put together a little better than this. I can go pick it up. Yeah, it's close. It's like a barn find. Maybe he's afraid to clean the mojo off of it. How bad is it?
Pretty bad.
Oh my God. He won't change the oil or the dust. Look at his driving suit still here. Go ahead. Gotta get to the metal right there so I can pull it back.
That's pretty whack.
Huh?
That's pretty whack.
But I got it straighter with a hammer and dolly, and they got it with a Bondo. Why is it so heavy? I don't know, Bondo by the gallon. Put my car in my chassis, guy. Just ground all my Bondo out. Look, hold on a minute. I think I'll wipe it right there. No, wait a minute, I'm just gonna dolly it. Straight as a board. That's not fiberglass, that's fiber tape. It's tape. Where'd I get all that light? Chris. That's badass, man. Keep going forward. Let down in front. Let down. Let down.
Not out here.
Man, I'm gonna come out like a snake. Watch this.
You got it in park or emergency brake or whatever it's gonna hold
here, but it ain't got no.
It's got a brake, a hand brake.
It's broke.
Oh.
You see that? I come out like a gazelle.
Yeah, with a lion.
I could have welded inside that car. You hear me? I could have welded inside that thing. Turn that disconnect off in there.